Hey there everyone, Regina from Eat Travel Life. Today we are making a meatless Monday cheesy ravioli. Here is what you're going to need. You are going to need some Italian seasoning, your favorite sauce. I use an Italian blend of cheese, and then you're going to want to use raviolis. I use mini ones because those are easy to have a bite. Go ahead and pour a little sauce down into your dish. You're also going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and just shake that out a little bit. And then add a layer of the raviolis down into the sauce. We're going to be layering these with cheese and seasoning and some more sauce. This doesn't need to be perfect, but you want to try to cover as much surface as you can of the sauce. And go ahead and give it a light sprinkle of seasoning. We're going to do this for every layer, so it doesn't need to be a heavy layer of seasoning. And then sprinkle a light layer of cheese down. You want to slightly cover. You can still kind of see the raviolis. And then another layer of sauce. And we're just going to continue to build these layers. You can definitely use the spatula and move things around. I just give it a shake because with the layers, we're going to continue to build, like I said, and it's not going to hurt it that it's not covered everywhere. So go ahead and put another layer of your raviolis down. These are frozen, and I used bite size because it's easier, especially if you have kids. Um, they're the minis, so it is a bite size versus if you use the larger ones, you might have to cut them in half. This is going to be our last layer. We're going to add in a good portion of cheese, and then we'll add some sauce and some more ravioli. This is an 8x8 dish. I wasn't able to use all of the mini ravioli, so I'll be able to make up another one of these as a snack for later. Good portioning of seasoning, and then our raviolis. If you add a little water into the jar and swish it around, you'll be able to get all of the sauce out of there, and that'll keep your dish from being dry when it's baking. A little moisture is great, makes it nice and juicy and delicious. A little bit more seasoning, and then we'll add in the last layer of and the rest of the bag of the cheese. Perfect. And then kind of spread it around. Doesn't have to be perfect, and it definitely doesn't need to cover everywhere. If you have hard chunks because you're using frozen cheese like I was, just kind of press it down. One last hurrah of Italian seasoning. Let's go ahead and bake this. We baked it for about 30-40 minutes until it was golden brown, and I threw in some garlic bread that we made out of Italian bread. And this is how it looks when it's done. And then you can put it in a bowl and serve it up, and it is so delicious. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to let me know in the comments what you eat for your meatless Mondays. Have a wonderful day.